Here's Mavronisi, another island in the Bay of Naoussa that we get to with our kayaks. It's a rocky island with just 2 patches of habitable vegetation. Last year, actually, was the first year that we'd found lizards in this southern patch. This year, there are quite a few more here. Now the rocks in between the patches are almost devoid of lizards. It's dry and there's just not a lot of soil for females to lay their eggs in. There aren't as many lizards on Mavronisi as there are on Galeazos, but the population has stayed strong all the way since 2014. Here's a video of Minalia hard at work measuring the vegetation. You can see how low and scrubby that vegetation is on Mavronisi.